is the will of God ukuthi namuhla akavami bazalwane ukuthi ebandleni nihlangane sekukhona umuntu latonifundisa ngempilo yenu. It is the wisdom uNkulunkulu ayiphe mpostoli, and he thought, okay, athi ngi-invite dokotela. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ningamukele esontweni. I won't take long. In fact, 15 minutes is a bit too much for me. I'm going to speak on one topic because mangafuna kubamba tonke tinto taka health. It took me 6 to 7 years ukuthi ngibe ngidokotela. Took me another 2 years ukuthi ngendi internship, another 1 year of community service. Solo angitati tonke. Yeah, siyabonga. So kubalekile bazalwane ukuthi si prioritize impilo yethu. We need to be intentional ngempilo yethu. Noma sima Christian, iBhayibheli lithi je umfati eBhayibhelini lebekane inkinga ye bleeding. Weva ukuthi uNkulunkulu utondlula, and she set it upon herself ukuthi utoyothasha umphetho wengubo yaJesu. Akazange athi ngidoma ngithandaze ukuthi uNkulunkulu angipholise cha. Wathatha step towards making herself feel better or towards getting sito lebekalidinga. So nathi most of the time ma Christians siyahlala uyatibona ukuthi uyagula ekhaya bathi uhleli ukuthi mase ku complicate lokho kugula kwakho lokuncane lebekuphethe uqabange ukuthi athi ngifonele impostoli cha. We need to treat address the symptoms before they become a problem. So you want to address the symptoms before it actually becomes a disease. Dining tindo longatenda khamba nje uye emtholampilo uyakhona kufika uthole lisito lofuna lona. I know public health, it's not nice sometimes to consult kuma public institution because of the attitude and the behavior. But sometimes just divumele kuthi no ngiyagula and I need to go consult about this thing. Angeke ushaywe inhloko, udlile ushaywa inhloko, unatha amaphilisi so inhloko yakushaya, ulale uvuke, ubone ngathi le inhloko itophela. Itoncedzwa yini le inhloko? Sometimes inhloko, it's not just a headache, but it can be a symptom for something that is even more dangerous, like a brain tumor. But when uhlele ekhaya. So, ngicela sikhulume nge-diabetes. I know the reason why I picked this topic, it's because this is one disease that actually affects mundu lomncane, mundu lomdzala, mundu logugile. Ngisho pregnant, uyavelwa sifo labathi gestational diabetes. That's how dangerous it is. And diabetes singayibuka kancane. But ma complications wayo, they are more bigger than lel gama lelithi sugar. Actually, there's one guy locule ingoma ati azama ku unite South Africa, and he was saying we need to be louder than the silent killer. He wasn't talking about HIV. I know this song since 2005. Actually, at that time, I thought this person is talking about HIV. He's actually talking about diabetes because he's been diagnosed with diabetes as a semncane. So yini diabetes? Diabetes siyati sonke sifo sashukela. Sifo sashukela njengoba ngishilo bantwana siyababamba, bantu labalingana nathi siyababamba, bantu labadzala siyababamba. So now we've got two types. We've got type 1 and we have type 2. So type 1 nguye lovame kubamba abantu labancane, type 2 uvame kubamba abantu labadzala. Now ngicela ningilalele kahle. And emasiphuma la ngicela nihambe niyo implementa these things that we are going to talk about. There's another form of diabetes ibitwa ngekuthi gestational diabetes. The gestational diabetes ibamba abantu laba pregnant. So you are pregnant, the baby grows, the placenta iyafoma, iyakhula. Uye esibhedlela basishukela wakho setulu. You may think awukase ube na shukela. It has nothing to do with the fact that you've had diabetes before or not. It has everything to do with the placenta. So that it's caused by pregnancy itself. And amount diabetes u pregnant hambela kakhulu eklinik, and make sure ukuthi uyabala malanga akho. Lelanga labakutshele ngalo ukuthi udodeliver ngalo tata 2 weeks from that week, from that estimated delivery date, uhambe uye clinic. I mean, noma uye esibhedlela, ubatshele ukuthi mina bathe ngine diabetes, I'm pregnant, I need to deliver this baby. Because if you delay to deliver that baby dies. Mina mabangifonela, but discuss the patient, and they mention diabetes, I'm like, bring the patient now. Let's cut that patient, because that's how dangerous it is. So my symptoms at diabetes, normal pregnant, normal pregnant, they are almost the same, because it's basically the same kind of disease. Utotibona udla kakhulu. If you eat too much and you're losing weight, and you've got the risk factors, when you develop diabetes, such as ekhaya, mama une diabetes, gogo une diabetes, noma batal bakho bane diabetes, that's a risk factor. You are at risk of developing diabetes. If utibuka esifubeni une mabalabala langathi ma freckles ngila mabala lamnyama lavela, especially bantu labamhlophe, they normally get those are freckles. That's a risk factor for having diabetes. If your armpits are too dark, that's a risk factor of getting diabetes. Hyperpigmentation of your armpits, that is a risk factor of developing diabetes. So you eat too much, you lose weight, think of diabetes. Uqhama kakhulu, think of diabetes. You drink too much water, think of diabetes. I know, it's called polydipsia in medicine. So if you're drinking a lot of water, more than 3 liters a day, think diabetes. I'm not talking to people who exercise. There's people who do endurance exercises, such as running. Those ones, they need to hydrate as much as they can, because the more you run, you are losing the important water. We call them electrolytes, and we only found those in ngicela mangikhuluma also ningithathe as dokotela. Doctors are very blunt sometimes.